Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need access, a key, and a clear goal. Start now. First, authenticate and open the bot interface so you can run tests immediately. Once done, define the exact output shape, list, paragraph, code block, and prepare 3 small examples that show desired tone and format. This speeds iteration and prevents guesswork. Make sure to limit scope at first. A narrow, testable task surfaces mistakes fast and saves time when you scale up. Now you refine prompts for accuracy and reliability. Start with a 1-sentence instruction, then add role context, constraints, and a concrete example so the bot knows format and tone. Once you run it, compare output to your example. When it misses, change specific phrases, not the whole prompt. Iterate in short cycles, test, tweak, and retest to converge quickly. Also, embed safety and data rules so the bot avoids sensitive info. That prevents rework later. To finish, validate outputs with concrete checks: accuracy, bias, and correct format. Once reliable, create templates and version them so you can reproduce results and roll back changes. Deploy carefully and monitor performance metrics. Log examples for periodic review. If something breaks, isolate the cause. Was it the prompt, bad input data, model drift, or rate limits? And fix that part only. One key tip: rerun failing examples with minimal prompts to pinpoint the problem fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.